Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting inside Google Slides. Open the slide with the text you want to recolor. Click once to select the text box, then click and drag to highlight the exact characters. If you prefer, press T or use Insert Right Arrow Text Box to create new text and type it. Once the text is highlighted, pause and check that the formatting toolbar appears above the slide. This confirms you're ready to change color options and proceed to the next step. Now you'll change the color using the text color icon in the toolbar. It looks like with a color bar underneath. Click it to reveal swatches, pick a preset, or choose custom to type a HEX code or adjust RGB sliders for precise color. Make sure the selection scope is correct, selected characters versus the whole text box, and click the color to apply. If you want consistent branding, use the Paint Format tool to copy this color to other text elements. Finish by scanning the slide for contrast and readability. You want text to stand out against the background, so make adjustments to opacity or background color if necessary. To apply the same color across slides, edit the theme or master slide so it propagates. If the new color doesn't stick, clear formatting from the selection, reselect the text, and try again. Make sure you're signed into the correct account. If problems persist, reload the browser and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.